Samsung, OPPO.
OPPO versus Samsung. Full leg of my arm, front-facing camera, 4K 16, both of them. Overexposing the sky, it will in both of them. Whoa, check out the Samsung. And if I'm out of the frame, should compensate quickly. That's really good. Which one is wider? OPPO. Wider view. Do we have autofocus? Yes, with Samsung. You can see my fingers. Details, skin, and in OPPO. Not too much details. Anyway, video stabilization in both really good. Switching to the wide angle lens. And with the wide angle, which one is wider? Samsung is wider. Let me continue. Video stabilization. Do we have autofocus in wide angle lens? Well, test it on there. Oh, yes, we do on OPPO. Again, OPPO. You see the difference? The amount of details in OPPO and no details in Samsung. That is a huge, let me just like that, difference. Oh yeah. Alright. Switching to the main lens, and then we will have autofocus. I'm not sure why I throw off that previously. Anyway, take this one. And we do have one. Which one is faster? They both really quick, and the bokeh effect in both of them really nice. Alright, a difficult test on the round object, just like that lamp. Difficult for the autofocus. Which one will be? Oh, Samsung definitely faster. Didn't focus on OPPO. Again. Oh yeah, Samsung. What's with the OPPO? Now it's focusing. See? That is a real test. At least I think so. Well, it's time for the Telephoto to remember that the Pro version on the OPPO has a periscope zoom, so most likely obliterate the regular Samsung. You will have to have an Ultra to have the same periscope. Or maybe even better periscope, I don't know. I don't have an Ultra yet. Well, let's stop talking, let's do the zoom. So 12 is max on the Samsung, and 18, well, oh yeah, if I go 10, see the difference in details? Because it's optical versus electronic one. I'm not sure if this is good. Oh yeah, there's definitely a difference. Maybe on that, there you go. See the amount of details? Look at the grass behind that. Huge difference. Wow. What about that vehicle? Can you read the license plate? Yes, we can on the OPPO. No, we cannot. And in the photo, it's basically the same deal. Look at the difference between optical and electronic, and AI and no AI. Now, it's a huge difference. Let me leave you those pictures. I'll come back to you in a second. Also, with the greater optics, you will get that depth of view, the natural depth of view. The bigger lens, the better it is. At night, front-facing camera is better on the OPPO, and the main lens, it's also cleaner, richer, less noise on the OPPO. Better. Of course, the regular Samsung cannot beat Hasselblad OPPO flagship ultimate camera with a dedicated shutter button. it is good. Well, the only similarities of those two are the price. Well, OPPO is, I think, a little bit cheaper now. There's a huge discount, link in the description for you. Well, if we pick the Ultra, S25 Ultra, now that it could be a little different story. But with those two, OPPO is a much, much better device for photo and video. See you next video.